Hey Diva, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay Diva, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Zury Hollywood. It's from their Diva collection. I have her in the style Diva Lace H RIRI in the color number 1B. So here she is. She has a beautiful wave pattern as well as this rubber band style, which is so cute and so late 90s, early 2000s. So here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly, meaning it can fit large and small heads. It does come with an elastic adjustable band as well as 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then here is the parting area that you get. And the lace is also very thin and it's HD. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience minimal, and then I just went in and tinted the lace with the even lace tint in dark brown. But I feel like I needed to I'm gonna apply it now, but I'm just gonna tell you guys like kind of where I went wrong. So I should have just, I don't know if I needed to tint it more or what, but I finally figured it out because I did do another unit with it from this collection, but this one you can still see like a line of demarcation, so please excuse that. But I'm just gonna make this unit work the best that I can for this video. Please stay tuned for the next video because I do fix the error, because as you guys can see that light spot there. But anyways, I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay Diva, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so jumping right in, today we have a new unit that all of us girls needed, okay? We needed something different, we needed something nice, something cute, and Zury has delivered, okay? So today we have the rubber band style. This is from the Diva collection. This is their Diva Lace H RIRI, and I have her in the color number 1B. So as you guys can see, she is super cute. Like, this is really reminding me of like what time era, like late 90s, early 2000s. Like, I feel like this was like a style I definitely wore as a teenager, and it was just really nostalgic, and it's still cute on me even though, you know, I'm well out of my teens. But yeah, this unit is super cute. I also did want to let you guys know about my cute ponytail holder. It is from Taste Levels. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she is not sold out. I will try to link in the description box below. But yeah, this is from Taste Levels and it's super cute, and I thought that it went really well with the style, and just because I wanted to have kind of like the little top ponytail and everything, and kind of to just complement my rubber band style I have going on here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So let's just talk about the cap construction. The cap construction is absolutely impeccable. The lace is so thin, it's so nice. It was super easy for me to go ahead and tint. The tint that I used was the even tinted lace spray, and I used it in the color dark brown. Obviously, if you want to use this, you use it in the color that best suits you, but this is the color that I use. To lay my wig down, as you guys can see, I went in with the Even New York Wonder Lace Bond. This is the active, and oh my gosh, like, this stuff works like a dream. It melts your wig right on down, and I am here for it. It was super easy for me to do that. I did only melt down like the portion where the rubber bands are, because you guys know I love like the closure situation, even if it's a frontal, okay, because who gonna know. So yeah, as far as that, the cap is really nice. Like, I really love the lace. The lace was so thin, it was really nice, and it was just like, this lace is everything. I also really do love how neat the rubber band parts and everything is. It looks really good. The cap construction is also good as far as security goes. It does come with an adjustable elastic band as well as combs and adjustable straps, so this unit will be secure. You can go ahead and wear this glueless if you want to, because you can just adjust the adjustable straps, but for me, I wanted it to be laid, honey, so I was like, no, I'm going to lay her down. But you do definitely have the option to wear it glueless if you would like to. Now, as far as the texture of the hair, the hair is really nice. It's a silky texture, but it is a very soft silky texture, if that makes any sense, as you guys can see here. And it does not have a high luster, it just have like a really nice healthy luster. Like, the hair is well moisturized, and I am here for that. As far as the curls go, the curls are really beautiful. It's more of like a wave pattern, which I love. I love me a glamorous wave, okay? I'm always here for a wave. or curl, but waves, they just do something for me. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and follow, please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. That will let me know that you like this video and that you want to see more like this, and it will just make me smile. So definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you rock this style? Did you rock this style when you were younger, or is this just nostalgic for you because of the times? I'm here for it. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.